Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mr. 𝐤𝐤𝐤. Today let's see this fishing point in Ajman. It's very beautiful and calm. I just discovered it. Here it's not crowded, as you could see. It's completely empty and some people even fishing. It's beautiful. I hope the next time I will be prepared and go on fishing here. The water is much cleaner and it's calmer here, as people they don't know much about this area. So let me see when it's possible. And the person, he told me we can catch small fishes here, and it's better in winter than in summer, and in summer they do come after sunset. So let's see how it goes. Hey guys, your name please? Samer. He just caught one fish, and this is the small fish. I just came in and he just got hold of it. Wow, nice. Hey, yo guys, this is another side of the sea. As you could see, a lot of fishes are just surrounding on this area, and it's completely calm, no trace of people, and it's fun, I believe, to come on this area. As you could see, this is just one secret area, not many know about it. I honestly discovered it by mistake. Let's see how it goes. Hey yo guys, this is here. I believe there is a lot of fishes, a load of fish being here breeding, and there is a lot of movement here. So I will just try to throw up some chips. Maybe they would jump in to feed, and here it goes. No, let's see. You could see in some places there is a lot of water movement. That is where I believe fishes are running in and out. That's why it's prohibited to fish here. So let's see how it goes. Hey, this is another area again, same beach but different sides. You could see yachts in here, and not much hustle bustle, because few people know about this area and they don't move around here. So let's see what more I discovered today.